The Oxlife Liberty 2 weighs 7.5 pounds. It is 9.9 inches high, 3.8 inches in depth, and 9.9 inches wide. It has a pulse flow setting of 1 to 10 and a continuous flow setting of 0.5 to 2. For the battery, on a pulse flow, you will get up to 4 hours of battery life, and on a continuous flow, you will get up to 2 hours of battery life. Hi, this is Alexia with LPT Medical, and in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Oxlife Liberty 2. When you first receive your package, you're going to open it up and you will have your manual and your cannula. Then you will have the actual unit itself, and it will also come with a carry case. You will receive an accessory bag. This is great for any extra batteries or your car or wall charger. You will receive your battery. And you will also have your AC and DC power supply. That's the charger for the wall and the charger for the car. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's go ahead and set up the Oxlife Liberty 2. First, you're going to take your battery, and it is going to slide right here in the front of the unit. You'll just put it on and you will hear it click. And we're going to put on the carry case. You're going to slide this over the top of the unit, zip it at the bottom. You'll have a little access panel at the top for all your buttons. Over here, you will have the port to plug in the car or the wall charger. And over here, you will have the spot for your cannula. Now let's talk about how to use the unit. To turn it on, press and hold the power button. The unit will power on. You will see it is currently on a continuous flow. You can easily adjust the setting by pressing the plus or the minus. If you'd like to switch to pulse flow, come over here to the M button, which is the mode button. Press that, and the unit will switch to a pulse flow. Same here, you can adjust the setting by pressing the plus or the minus. If you press and hold the mode button, you will go into your settings. This will have the airplane mode, the provider information, and anything else you may need. To get out of that, press the M button, and to turn off the unit, press and hold the power button. And that is how you unbox and set up the Oxlife Liberty 2. If you have any questions, you can visit us at www.lptmedical.com or give us a call at 1-800-946-1201 and speak with one of our oxygen specialists today.